What is the synonym of obstinate? Answer B, stubborn. What is the synonym of perilous? Answer A, dangerous. What is the synonym of lethargic? Answer C, drowsy. What is the synonym of eloquent? Answer D, persuasive. What is the synonym of magnanimous? Answer B, generous. What is the synonym of meticulous? Answer A, precise. What is the synonym of belligerent? Answer C, aggressive. What is the synonym of ephemeral? Answer D, temporary. What is the synonym of prudent? Answer A, careful. What is the synonym of ubiquitous? Answer B, common. What is the opposite of arrogant? Answer D, humble. What is the opposite of benevolent? Answer A, cruel. What is the opposite of audacious? Answer C, timid. What is the opposite of lucid? Answer D, obscure. What is the opposite of frugal? Answer C, wasteful. What is the opposite of melancholy? Answer A, happy. What is the opposite of docile? Answer D, stubborn. What is the opposite of erudite? Answer C, ignorant. What is the opposite of copious? Answer D, scarce. What is the opposite of taciturn? Answer B, talkative. What is the plural of cactus? Answer C, cacti. What is the plural of phenomenon? Answer B, phenomena. What is the plural of crisis? Answer A, crises. What is the plural of nucleus? Answer C, nuclei. What is the plural of analysis? Answer D, analyses. What is the meaning of the idiom burning the midnight oil? Answer B, working late at night. What is the meaning of the idiom throw in the towel? Answer C, give up. What is the meaning of the idiom the ball is in your court? Answer A, your turn to act. What is the meaning of the idiom bite the bullet? Answer B, endure hardship. What is the meaning of the idiom cut to the chase? Answer D, get to the point. Out of 30, how many did you get right? Share your score in the comments, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting quizzes.